Hello, this is my ChatRoom project for the pre-assignment of Foundation of Software Engineering. So let's get started with my project structure. And firstly, it is config directory. I put some useful functions which might need to create cookie and sessions, though the session part hasn't been implemented yet, and put some useful DB information and configurations in this config.js, and the controller and the root directory was used in our backend logic. For the models, I use this db.js to connect with our MongoDB, and I create the user schema, which which is necessary for our sign in and sign up part. You should notice that I put all my HTML and JavaScript files in this public directory. I didn't use the view, for example, the JIT or EJS. I think simply use the HTML files can satisfy our requirement. So let's start. So let's get started with our second part. The demo. I use NodeMon to start my server because NodeMon is very useful for debugging. So as we can see, the server is running in the port 9000 and the database is successfully connected. So we just type in localhost 9000, and since we haven't signed in, right, there's no cookie info in our browser, so we need to either sign in with an existing account or sign up with a new one. So to verify our function of create a new user account, we create a new one. Okay, and first name we okay, let's click this button, sign up. Yes, we were redirected to our index page, and here is the time for us to sign in. Yes, congratulations, we successfully signed in our chat room. So let's get started with another account. We need to verify our logic of socket.io. So I will simply use another account which has already existed. Yes, once we successfully log in, we see two accounts in our online user list, right? And for this one, it automatically synced up with this c at andrew.cmu.edu, right? And we need to verify the logic of our message. So we simply put this. So once we click this send button, the message on the other browser should appear, right? Yes, it appears. And for this one, put BBB. Yes, it appears too. So the next thing we should verify is, sign out gracefully, which means that once we click this sign out button, the cookie part will be cleared, and the online user list will be clear in another browsers too, right? So we just firstly see the cookie. Yes, here is a cookie we create, user, and is signed. So we click this leave button. Yes, the c at andrew.cmu.edu disappear, right? So this allows us to leave the chat room gracefully, and at this time, if we input this, it will redirect us to sign in page because we delete the cookie, right? And the final part, since the doc require us to upload our projects to GitHub, so this is my GitHub account, and I already made it a private project repository, and okay, I start myself. Okay, this is a brief introduction of my project. So this is all I have done for this pre-assignment. So if you have other concerns or questions, please feel free to contact me. So thanks for your patience, and goodbye.